A hearty welcome from the Grace College of Engineering. This is Bessie Angel from Department of IEEE. Today I'm going to teach about shift register, and this is the experiment from the linear and integrated circuits laboratory, and the ultimate aim of this experiment is to implement the following shift register using your flip-flop. And for this experiment we required IC 7474 and then digital IC trainer kit and connecting wires and IC 7432 OR gate. So what a shift register is? A shift register is a memory in which information is shifted from one position into another position at a line when one clock pulse is applied. So the data can be shifted either left or right direction towards the right or towards left. Okay, and if you consider the shift register means it is there are four type. One is serial in, serial out. Second one is serial in, parallel out, parallel in, serial out, and the fourth one is parallel in and parallel out. So here we are having the pin diagram for 7474. So in our breadboard we need to connect this 7474 IC with the help of our OR gate 7432 and the connecting wires. So this is a circuit diagram for the serial in, serial out. Here we need to give a clock pulse after the construction of our this circuit diagram. We need to verify the truth table of this circuit diagram by giving the clock pulse. It will be given up to 7th pulse. So similarly we are having the circuit diagram for the serial in and the parallel out. This is a circuit diagram for it. Here also we are having the truth table, and for that for our input it is in a serial manner, and we are getting the output in a parallel manner. So whenever we are giving the clock pulse as per the circuit diagram, truth table, we corresponding output will be implemented in our output side, that is Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 pins. So next we need to see the parallel in and parallel out circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram of it, and here also we need to verify our truth table which is given in our manual. And here both the input and output of our circuit diagram having the parallel connection. So whenever we are giving the clock pulses, the corresponding output of our circuit will be glown. So at the corresponding pins we are having the LED in our breadboard connection. So whenever we are giving the first clock pulse, our parallel output will be blink like this, that is the bit 0 not 0 Q not Q1, Q2 and Q3. Here Q2 alone won't blink, the 3 bits will be blink in our output side. Similarly we are having the two circuit diagram for PI SO, that is parallel in and serial out. We have to construct this circuit diagram with the help of our 7474 IC and also the 7432 OR gate in order to verify our truth table of the PISO connection. So here your input will be parallel, but our output will be taken as a serial one. So whenever we are giving the clock pulses, the corresponding output will be glow in their corresponding pins. So this is how we can construct and verify our shift registers for 4 type of the 4 type. Okay, and here I implement that circuit diagram in the multisim software, and I'm getting the output like this. So I'm construct as per our circuit diagram for our parallel in parallel out circuit diagram, and for the input 1101. Here when we are having the input 1101, we are getting the output like this. Here the Q naught for the input data 1101, we are getting the output like this. Q naught, Q1 and Q3 will be blink as per our two table. Okay, and this is how we can implement our circuit diagram in multisim software or in our IC trainer kit. Okay. Similarly, I am construct the circuit diagram for the parallel in serial output circuit. For here I'm taking the input as 001 for as per our two table. We are getting the LED will be glow for this input. Okay, and the third one is serial in parallel out circuit diagram. Here I am construct the circuit diagram in the multisim as per our circuit diagram in the manual. I am taking the input data as 1101. For that the bit Q0, Q2 and Q3 will be glow as per our circuit two table. Okay, and similarly you can verify all the other input like this, and then the fourth one is serial in and serial out circuit. Here I am construct this circuit as per our manual circuit for our input 1001. Here I am getting the output as a 1, that is our LED that is connected in the output section will be glow. This is how we can construct our circuit diagram of four type of shift register and verifying the two table of this experiment. Okay, hope you understand the experiment, and